Want to make your Elementor buttons more interactive and fun? In this video, I'll show you how to add a fancy emoji hover button to WordPress using Elementor. With this plugin, an animated emoji appears above the button when visitors hover over it, creating a unique and engaging effect. The emoji smoothly follows the user's mouse movement with a realistic 3D tilt animation, making your website feel more dynamic and interactive. Let's set it up step by step and customize the effect to match your design. First, download the add-on from the link in the video description. Then log into WordPress, upload the zip file under Plugins, and activate the plugin. Now open the page where you want to add the button and click Edit with Elementor. Add a section where you want the button to appear. Next, search for Smiley Hover Button in the widget panel and drag the widget into your page layout. You will immediately see the default Read Me button. In the Content tab, enter your button text. For example, I will use Learn More. Next, add the page or website URL. You can open the link in the same tab or choose a new tab. Use the smiley face style drop-down to select your animation. Let us try the love face, the cool face, and the party face. You can also hide the smiley completely or change the maximum tilt angle. A value between 15 and 30 degrees usually gives a smooth result. Open the Style tab to customize the button. You can change the text color and choose either a solid background or a gradient. For a gradient, select a start color and an end color. You can also edit the border, border radius, padding, typography, and box shadow. The hover scale controls how much the button grows, while hover brightness controls how bright it becomes. Keep these settings subtle for a clean and professional animation. In the Smiley Style section, change the face color, size, and spacing above the button. You can also customize the shadow, blush, eye, and mouth colors. These controls make it easy to match the smiley with your website branding. To create more variations, duplicate the widget and choose another face style. Every widget works independently, so each button can have its own text, link, colors, size, and emoji animation. Click Update and preview the page. Now the smiley appears when we hover over the button, follows the mouse, and smoothly resets when the mouse leaves. This is a simple way to add personality, interaction, and joy to a WordPress website. That is how you add a fancy emoji button in WordPress with Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials, and share your favorite smiley style in the comments.